Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get Unshadowbanned on Twitter. Open your Google browser, then you need to go to your Twitter account. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on the Settings and Privacy option under the Settings and Support. Now you can find this Privacy and Safety option in here. So, you need to tap on it. Then you need to click on this interests option. So here you can find your all interesting topics. Now you need to unselect these all boxes. Then Twitter will remove your shadow ban within some days. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.